did Lemons kill the cheap E30? When we started Lemons way back in 2006, the BMW E30 was like the cheap BMW. I think the E90-chassis had just come out. E46 and E36 were still relatively new. So the old cheap BMW was probably the E30. 15 years later, that's changed a little bit. There's a little bit of a cult following, maybe even a tiny bit of collectability for the E30, and it's really like the 2002 of the millennial generation. As a result, over the years, we've seen more and more E36 and E46 chassis 3 Series BMWs, probably in a lot of cases because they are cheaper and easier to find than an E30. But is Lemons responsible for killing the cheap E30? I don't think so. First of all, you can still find them, and even if they're a little bit over the $500 Lemons cap, as you know, you can sell stuff off, interior bits, trim, seats, whatever you need to get the car back under budget. And hey, I'm a BMW owner. I know how much that stuff can cost. So, you know, you might find yourself with a perfectly running 325i with nice sport seats for $1,000. Get rid of those sport seats, boom, you're done, $500 car. There are a lot of E30s in Lemons. There's also a lot of E30s in spec club racing. There's E30s drifting. There's E30s everywhere. They made a lot of these cars in many different flavors. I don't think Lemons could be making enough of a dent in the available supply of cheap E30s to have actually killed the breed. We probably aren't helping. Don't run an E30 M3 in Lemons, I would probably suggest. But hey, if you can find a 325e, a Crash 325i, a 318, they're out there, they're probably rotting into the woods. They want to be a race car. You want to drive them as a race car. Buy it, turn it into a Lemons race car. We think that's great.
Thanks for watching Lemons World.
Don't forget to subscribe.